Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, it is all about Soul Performance products. My new headers have arrived and I can't wait to get them out of the box and talk about what they're going to be doing to my 991. Let's go check it out. So for those of you who follow me, you probably know that I have a Soul Performance valved exhaust on my car, not just attached to the car, but it's also been wired up to the Porsche sports exhaust button on the center console. So it operates essentially just like the factory Porsche sports exhaust, but it sounds so much better. I'm just going to say that, I'm sure there are people out there that like the sound of the Porsche sports exhaust, and it's great, but it doesn't sound as good as this. And now this car is going to be sounding even better because to go with the mufflers and the valved exhaust system, I've got the headers. So from the edge of the cylinders all the way to the back of the car, it's Soul Performance end to end. Now, there are loads of other exhausts out there on the market, and there are dozens to name. I like Soul Performance products, A, because it sounds phenomenal. B, because their products come with a lifetime warranty. Whether you're on the track or street use, a lot of other manufacturers in the competition out there don't do that. If you track your car, you void your warranty in a lot of cases. They also have a 100% fitment guarantee. If there is something going wrong with the install, whether you're at a Porsche garage or any independent garage, they will be on the phone, they will be working with your shop to make sure it goes on properly. And if it doesn't go on, they back their work, they back their products. So it's just confidence, it's high quality, and above all else, the sound is just phenomenal. Now, a couple of months ago, when I had the valved exhaust installed, I did a before and after. I'm gonna be extending that video soon to be doing a stock exhaust, valved exhaust, and then valved exhaust and headers, so you can see the full progression of the exhaust and how it goes from straight out of the factory on this base Carrera through the sports and the valved exhaust all the way through to the end-to-end performance exhaust system. And I can't wait to hear what that sounds like and to be able to make a video and show you. But for now, we're just gonna be unboxing. I'm even gonna get the car up, and I think we can see the stock headers without having to take any panels off from underneath. We'll see. But at least let's get them out of the box, let's take a look, and let's get this exhaust journey started. Phase 2 of the exhaust journey. So as I mentioned, phase 2 here is going to be putting the headers onto the car and then finishing off the end-to-end exhaust system, all with these Soul Performance products. I'm going to be getting them installed at my friend AJ's garage down at Eurocharged Minneapolis. They're the guys who installed the Fister exhaust on my 997. I'm really excited to get them on. Amazing. So here's the back of the car. Now, as I mentioned, I've already got the Soul Performance valved exhaust. You can see here the two resonator pipes, the two resonator tubes, which help eliminate any drone, but also amplify the sound, just make it sound that extra bit awesome. I've got the carbon fiber finished Soul Performance tailpipes there, which need a bit of a clean. And then underneath here, you can just about see the valves, which are controlled by the solenoid, which open and close. They automatically open at 3,000 RPM because it's wired into the PCM and it's been programmed like the Porsche Sports exhaust. Otherwise, you'd use the remote controls that come with the Soul Performance products and you click it open and close whenever you want. Now, that's the system I have right now. As we go further under the car, you can now see the stock headers. And actually, we can see here, look, there's actually a little bit of damage to my stock headers. You can see here that it looks like either the previous owner or I have gone over a surface which is maybe a little bit too low, and we've got a dent here, and we've also got a dent here. Maybe that's why it didn't quite dyno as well as we'd expected. I don't know. Anyway, here is the stock header and the catalytic converter. So essentially this is what's going to be replaced by the headers that I've got from Soul Performance. It's a direct replacement, but what Soul have done is that they've crafted their product so they are higher performance, better output than the stock headers. So I'm potentially going to be getting upwards of 25 additional horsepower and anywhere from sort of 9 to 13 additional foot-pounds of torque, which is fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to see what the performance gains are, but it's also going to enhance the sound. So here on this side as well, catalytic converter, the headers, which go to each of the cylinders. And then same here. So then let's take a look at the sole products themselves. These have been, as I mentioned, manufactured and tuned specifically for the 991, specifically for my car. We've got the 3 pipes here, which lead away from the engine, the catalytic converter, and then this is going to connect up to the mufflers. The finish here is identical to the finish on my valved exhaust. So the Soul logo, the finish of the material itself, stainless steel is the material I think that they use to make these. I really can't wait to get them on. But they're absolutely beautiful. In many ways, I'm really disappointed that you can't see them all the time when you're driving, because this tied into the mufflers is gonna look so sick. So just a quick video today, guys. It wouldn't be an exhaust video without listening to the exhaust. So I'm gonna bring the car down, and before we go, let's take a listen to how the exhaust sounds right now with just the Soul Performance valved exhaust. I'm gonna do it without the valves open first, and then the valves open second. And then in a few days' time, I'm gonna be taking these headers down to AJ at Eurocharged of Minneapolis, who's gonna be doing the install for me, and I can't wait to get them on. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and I'll check you in another video soon. Take care, bye.